Ever felt that burning sensation when you pee? Or maybe you've experienced dull back pain that just won't go away? These could be signs of kidney trouble. While they're powerful organs that filter waste from our blood, kidneys are susceptible to issues like infections and stones. But here's the good news. Staying hydrated can play a major role in keeping your kidneys healthy. In this video, we'll explore the connection between hydration and kidney health, learn how to avoid common problems, and discover tips for staying hydrated the delicious way. So, grab a glass of water. We'll tell you exactly how much you need. And let's step into the fascinating world of kidney care. The kidney powerhouse. Imagine two tiny bean-shaped factories nestled low in your back, working tirelessly around the clock. That's essentially what your kidneys are. These unsung heroes play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes in your body. Think of them as your body's built-in water treatment system, constantly filtering and purifying your blood. Here's a closer look at the amazing things your kidneys do. Waste removal. Your kidneys act like natural filters, removing waste products and toxins from the blood. These waste products are then excreted as urine. Regulation. They also regulate blood pressure and red blood cell production. Balance. Kidneys help maintain a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes, which are essential for various bodily functions. But just like any machine, your kidneys can malfunction if they're not properly maintained. Dehydration, which simply means not drinking enough fluids, can negatively impact kidney function and lead to a variety of issues. In the following section, we'll explore the connection between hydration and two common kidney problems: stones and infections. Kidney issues and the role of hydration. Dehydration is kind of like hitting a bump in the road for your kidneys. While they're incredibly resilient organs, when you don't drink enough fluids, it can throw a wrench into their smooth operation and lead to some uncomfortable problems. Here are two common kidney issues that can be significantly impacted by hydration. Kidney stones. These are hard deposits that form inside the kidneys and can cause intense pain when they pass through the urinary tract. Imagine tiny pebbles forming inside your kidneys and then trying to make their way out. Ouch! According to a major study published in the prestigious Mayo Clinic Proceedings, dehydration is a major risk factor for kidney stones. When you're dehydrated, your urine becomes more concentrated. So, staying hydrated helps dilute your urine and keep those minerals moving smoothly, reducing the risk of stones forming in the first place. Urinary tract infections, UTIs. These are infections that occur in the urinary tract, which includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. While UTIs are more common in women, they can affect anyone. One of the best ways to prevent UTIs is to flush out bacteria through frequent urination. Dehydration can make urination less frequent, allowing bacteria to multiply and potentially lead to infection. Here's the good thing. Both kidney stones and UTIs can often be prevented or managed through proper hydration. The hydration equation: how much water do you need? So the big question is, how much water do you actually need to drink to keep your kidneys functioning optimally and avoid those nasty kidney stones and UTIs? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Several factors can influence your individual hydration needs, including weight. Larger bodies generally require more water than smaller bodies. Think of it like filling a pool versus a bathtub. Activity level. The more active you are, the more you sweat. Sweat is your body's way of cooling down, and it's made up mostly of water. So, if you're exercising regularly or working in a hot environment, you'll need to drink more water to replace the fluids lost through sweat. Climate. Hot and humid climates cause you to sweat more, leading to increased fluid loss. On the other hand, colder climates might not require as much water intake. Consider these additional factors to personalize your hydration plan. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions might require adjustments to your fluid intake. Always consult with your doctor if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women have increased fluid needs. Talk to your doctor about the appropriate amount of water to consume during these stages. Beyond water, hydration helpers. While water is the gold standard for hydration, here are some other options. Unsweetened herbal tea. Herbal teas are a delicious and caffeine-free way to increase your fluid intake. Look for varieties like peppermint, hibiscus, or dandelion, which may offer additional health benefits. Fruits and vegetables. Many fruits and vegetables have high water content, making them a great way to hydrate and get essential vitamins and minerals at the same time. Think watermelon, cantaloupe, cucumber, celery, and leafy greens. Important note: while some sources might recommend cranberry juice for UTIs, consult with your doctor before consuming large amounts. Cranberry juice can interact with certain medications and may not be suitable for everyone. Hydration hacks for busy lives. Let's face it, life can get hectic, and staying hydrated can sometimes fall by the wayside. Here are some tips to integrate hydration into your daily routine in a way that fits your busy schedule. Start your day with a glass of water. This simple act can make a big difference. Think about it. You've gone several hours without any fluids while you sleep. Drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning helps rehydrate your body and kickstarts your metabolism. It's like giving your internal engine a good jump start to get you going for the day. Drink a glass of water before each meal. Not only can this help you feel fuller and potentially eat less, but it also helps with digestion. Imagine your stomach and intestines like a long, winding water slide. When you're properly hydrated, everything moves smoothly along this digestive highway. But when you're dehydrated, it's like the water slide dries up, and things can get a little slow and sluggish, which can lead to constipation and other digestive troubles. Download a hydration app. There are tons of free and paid hydration apps available. These apps can be a lifesaver for busy people. They can track your water intake throughout the day, send you reminders to drink, and even offer fun challenges to keep you motivated. Think of it like having a tiny little hydration coach in your pocket, cheering you on as you reach your daily water goals. Keep a water bottle at your desk, out of sight, out of mind, right? By keeping a reusable water bottle right there on your desk, it becomes a constant reminder to take sips throughout the day. Plus, it's readily available whenever you feel that little thirst pang hit. No more rushing to find a water fountain or waiting in line at the office vending machine. Your hydration hero is right there, waiting to quench your thirst. Infuse your water. Let's be honest, plain water can sometimes feel a bit bland, but you can easily transform it into a flavor blast. Simply add slices of your favorite fruits, herbs, or vegetables to your water bottle. Think citrus fruits like lemons, limes, or oranges for a refreshing zing. Or maybe you're in the mood for something a little sweeter. Try berries, peaches, or even a few slices of cucumber for a cool and refreshing twist. As the fruits, herbs, and vegetables infuse the water, they release their delicious flavors and create a naturally sweet and refreshing drink. It's a fun and healthy way to add some excitement to your hydration routine. Freeze some fruit or herbs in ice cube trays. This is a fantastic tip for those who like their water nice and cold. Simply slice up some of your favorite fruits or herbs like mint or rosemary and pop them in ice cube trays filled with water. Freeze them overnight and then add these flavor-packed ice cubes to your water bottle in the morning. As they melt throughout the day, they'll slowly release their flavor and keep your water refreshingly cold. It's like having a built-in flavor booster that keeps your drink cool all day long. Bonus tip: if you tend to forget to drink water, pair it with an activity you do regularly. For example, do you brush your teeth twice a day? Perfect. Drink a glass of water after you brush your teeth in the morning and before bed at night. By associating drinking water with this established routine, you're more likely to remember to stay hydrated throughout the day. Hydration and you, the long-term benefits. Staying hydrated isn't just about avoiding kidney stones and UTIs. It offers a wide range of benefits for your overall health and well-being, including improved cognitive function. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and difficulty concentrating. Staying hydrated keeps your brain sharp and focused. Healthy skin. Proper hydration helps maintain skin elasticity and gives you that healthy glow. Regulated body temperature. Water helps regulate your body temperature, especially important during exercise or hot weather. Improved digestion. Water keeps your digestive system functioning smoothly and can help prevent constipation. Increased energy levels. Dehydration can zap your energy. Staying hydrated keeps you feeling energized and ready to tackle the day. The final sip, taking control of your health. By prioritizing hydration, you're taking an important step towards maintaining optimal kidney health and overall well-being. Integrate hydration habits into your daily routine for long-term health benefits. Get rid of sugary drinks and prioritize water. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel when you keep your kidneys happy and your body hydrated. Hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy living tips, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's all raise a glass, of water of course, to a healthier and more hydrated you. Remember, your kidneys will thank you for it.